Hey there, fabulous Winnie and Kat, independent stylists. It's me, Tiff, here in the home office with your 5 must-have stylist tips for the week. Number 1, set your goals in writing. Think about where you want to be a year from now, and then plan backwards from 9 months to 6 months to 3 months to this month, and plan profit-producing activities for each month to reach those goals. Number 2, trouble booking parties? Not enough people know you. Get out in the community and set profit-producing activities that I mentioned earlier with the intention of just meeting new people and broadening your circle of friends. Then, whenever possible, exchange information. Number 3, a task a day. Every day of the work week, have one planned activity that will bring more people into your circle. So maybe you're going to drop lookbooks off at a doctor's or dentist's office, or I've talked about dropping off coloring books at those offices with your information on them for kids to play with while they're there and to take home with them. Guess what? Mom's going to see that. Maybe you're just going to go to the park with the little one, or maybe it's joining ilovemeetup.com. Maybe you're going to join a hiking group or a book club. Anything just to bring more people into your circle. And then, of course, exchanging information whenever possible. Number 4, smile. When you're out and about, roaming the grocery store aisle, maybe you're even just walking around town on like a morning walk or a hike, be known as that friendly chick who always has a smile on her face and always says hello to everybody. People are going to be attracted to you. And when you're making your phone calls, if you're smiling, people are going to hear it in your voice. It's going to change your voice. You're going to sound much more inviting, and people are going to want to be around you. Plus, we all just feel better when we're smiling, right? So finally, don't forget, parties solve what? Everything. They really do. If you want more sales, if you want to recruit more people, if you want just to get out of the house more often, whatever, parties are going to solve it. So thanks for wearing it, sharing it, and work it, ladies. Have a fantastic week. And be sure to reach out to us in the home office with whatever you need. We're here for you. So thanks, ladies. Have a great day.